our way back, we have something on the street. Hello! Hello everyone!
So sweet, goldies.
And they are a very much loved photo spot. Somebody else has stopped here as well. Ooh.
Hello.
Hello. They're everywhere. Last night when we were driving, we had literally a cow on the street and we had to stop really abrupt. Now we're in the little town of Atani, one of those towns that lay on the way to Cap Ducato and Porto Katsiki. Very nice taverns are along the way. You can buy olive oil and honey from little stands along the street. So it's definitely worth to stop in Atani. We did that yesterday, but I didn't film it.
Actually, it is said that this kind of small, original Greek villages is the Greek from your dreams, which you think it was already died 20 years ago. So this is really the original Greece you can find here. So if you want to have something like that, if you want to find locals, talk to locals, local taverns with nice food and where you can also talk to the bartender and have a very nice chat, and people are so friendly here, really. So we can only recommend that.
This is the beautiful Bay of Vasiliki, which is between the Cap Ducato and our hometown here in Greece, Poros. So it's a great beach where lots of surfers go because it's very windy, but the beach is also very nice because it's not so steep. It is soft and it also has some sand and not only pebble.
Right in the Greek jungle, covered in olive trees.
We're going off-road now. Those roads seem a little small, don't they?
Oh, some more sheep.
Some more sheep on our way. We are on the real road, luckily.
Well, I'm not sure that's a real road.
But it's better than the really steep hill filled with stones was that we went to get here. It was so steep, we wouldn't have made it up again. I couldn't film because I was so scared. But it looks like we're going on a good way.
This is the starting point for the Cataracti waterfalls here in Lefkada, Greece. And we'll see how we can get up there. It should be dangerous, I heard. Let's see. This is actually Lefkada 2, a very pretty waterfall in the middle of the island. If you go from or to Nigri, you see the signs with waterfalls and you just follow them. And there's like a 500 meters walk up here, very steep and above stones. So don't use full gloves, use proper shoes, and then you can have this very beautiful scenery. Oh, this is the way down again. No, I'm kidding. It's that one. Not quite. It's still wet, but you know, better than the other alternative. Whoa. You see that rope? This is a safety measurement. Now it's getting slippery. So I've made it down, everything is alright. Let's continue with our tour.